Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So today guys, we're gonna vlog about the first PMS for this Mazda, as this car has been with me for 6 months now. Yung guys, as you can see, 1,263. So malalaman mo when your service is obviously, pag nag-start yung car, pag malapit na yung service, nalagay service soon. So don't panic guys kung meron parang mechanic tool there. Hindi yan check engine or anything. It just basically tells you na malapit na yung service. So if you type the info, or when you go to here actually, if you go to home, tapos punta tayo sa Mazda. Yan, punta tayo sa Mazda. And we'll go to settings, I assume. Tingnan natin guys ha. Vehicle settings. Ito ba yan? Tingnan natin. Parang I saw it guys eh. I just have to look for it. So home, I think maybe sa may Mazda mismo.
A few minutes later.
Yung guys, nahanap ko na. Finally. Okay, so you go to information. So home, tapos information, punta kayo. Then go to vehicle status. Ayan, may nakalagay doon parang 1. Click it. Ayan guys, ayan. Vehicle service internal approaching. So next service, remaining na lang yung 1,000 kilometers. So yun guys, message details pag dinig mo. Yan. Distance until oil change 1,000 kilometers. So that's a good thing. So just in case you do forget yung maintenance ng car, lalabas naman siya, diba? So I'm scheduled for today. We're gonna go to Mazda Makati or Mazda Pasungtamo Makati. Even though I purchased this car in Mazda Alabang, pwede ko naman i-serve it kahit saan Mazda, kung saan malapit siya. Because I live here in BGC, malapit sa akin yung Mazda Pasungtamo, doon ako pupunta. I think there's also in C5. Pero I think it's easier access for me just to go to Mazda Pasungtamo. So yun guys, tingnan natin gaano kabilis, gaano ka-efficient yung service nila. Because dun sa Ford Ranger, it took me an hour and a half express. So they changed the oil, the usual. For this one, let's see how fast they are. I think it'll be fast guys, kasi there's not a lot of Mazda cars roaming around Metro Manila, diba? Compared to Ford, Toyota, Mitsubishi, or other car brands, diba? So I would assume na mas mabilis sila. And maganda sa Mazda Pasungtamo, there's a lot of restaurants around. There's even a restaurant next to Mazda. It's a Japanese restaurant. So pwede kayo tumambay doon, just in case you're gonna wait for a while, which I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna leave the car. I'll leave the car with them, but I'll just sit there. Tignan natin para kung gaano kabilis sila. So let's go. Okay. Ang baba ng mileage, I have to use this car more guys. So I'll see you in Mazda Pasungtamo. Okay guys, done na yung service ko. The next one will be after 6 months or first 10,000. So wala na yung maintenance tool na yun. And baba na mileage guys eh. So later on the way, sige, while driving na lang para the other cars can move dito. Kasi of course, they're still servicing. Ang maganda guys, with Mazda Makati, the nice thing about them, they told me 3 to 4 hours. So si Kuya Guard already gave me the okay na. Pwede na akong, si Kuya Guard mabait yan. Guys, kung ano, bigyan mo ng iced tea, binigyan ko ng iced tea. Sobrang init kasi guys dito. Sobrang init. Buti na lang there's pick up coffee. And if you could give the people, the mechanics, or even the staff, please do. Yeah, guys. Thank you. So, yun guys. So, basically, because I'm under the first 6,000 first 5,000 kilometers, mababa talaga. So, makapal pa yung aking brake pads. I think 9mm sa front, 8mm sa rear. My battery is still good. They said pag low battery, normally the iStop will trigger. But guys, I always off my iStop. Kasi if you live in Manila, especially where I'm from, BGC or any city, Makati, Mandaluyong, whatever, not laging traffic, pointless ang iStop to be honest. Tsaka mainit yun summer. So you always want your aircon to be cold. So yun. So ang ano ko, kala ko mga 4 liters lang yung 2 liter. Kasi I remember my Ford Focus na 2 liter before, my MK2 Ford Focus na gas was 4 liters, I think 4.1. This one carries siguro a little under 5 liters kasi nakalagay doon sa list 5 liters yung nilagay nila. They put Shell Helix 5W30. Yun yung nakita ko sa receipt actually guys. I wanna thank Miss Linel Reyes. So shout out to her. If you do have any concerns or if you wanna buy Mazda, just call her up. There, yan ang card niya. Diba? Call her up. And yan. Ano pa ba? So sabi nila nung una, so pagbaba ko, diba, binigay ko yung aking maintenance booklet and my car key. I left it inside the car so they can bring it to the service. Sabi 3 to 4 years. Sabi ko, oh no, 3 to 4 years, 3 to 4 years, 3 to 4 hours, 3 to 4 years. 3 to 4 hours guys. Dun sa Ford, of course I have to compare, diba? An hour and a half lang and on the dot. But to my surprise, pag bumili ako ng iced tea across the street, tapos na yung car, nakita ko yung kotse. Naka-on yung headlights sabi ko. Tapos tinignan ko, zinom ko baka sa phone sabi ko, tapos na. Thank God. So it only took approximately 2 hours. So that's really not bad. Siguro it would also depend on the day guys. Yung araw ng araw ng service, kung how many units. I'm sure after me meron pa yan kasi hanggang 5 p.m. it's only 4 o'clock. I brought the car at 2 p.m. So 2 hours is actually very good. 2 hours or even below 2 hours. Galing. So thank you to the ones who serviced my car. They also of course make a checklist to make sure that yung mga stuff sa kotse, like ako, I leave a lot of shoes inside guys. A lot of stuff nandyan pa. So kudos to Mazda Makati. I'm so happy, medyo traffic na yun. And I just love this car guys. Sulit na sulit. I'm just so happy that in 5 years I don't have to pay a single centavo for, diba? For warranty, for the PMS, diba? So I'm happy. So next change oil or next service, which is October after 6 months, kasi April na yun, I don't know anong papalitan pa nila besides the usual filter. Baka feeling ko cabin filter mga papalitan nila, maybe the air filter papalitan nila. Tapos malamang by that time guys, yung battery ko papalitan. But I heard that Casa battery is expensive obviously, but I might go with Varta. Varta is perfect for the i-stop. But like I said, I think I save a lot of battery life because every time I start, guys, in-off ko yan. Automatic yan. Tapos in-on ko yung aking auto hold kasi just like this, yan, traffic, so mag-auto hold and go ulit, diba? I think now, before I thought auto hold was a gimmick, but now, guys, we live in a country na puro traffic, especially Manila. Kailangan talaga natin auto hold. It really saves us a lot of leg, time to rest our right, foot. Kasi nga, nakakapagod naman talaga, guys. Lagi tayo nag-brake and go. Imagine kung mga manual cars. Diba? So, anyway, let's check nga yung information dito. I wanna check if, kasi of course, kanina I checked vehicle status. Ayun. So, bumalik sa remaining 10,000 kilometers. Ayan, maintenance details, click natin. Ayan, distance until change oil, another 10,000. So actually, but hindi ako aabot dyan, guys, malabo, 1,271. So feeling ko, by October, baka mag-double lang yung ano tawag dito, yung mileage ko, which is, diba? Which is nothing, basically. But that's okay. I'm happy with the car. Super happy, like I said. Matipid siya for me, guys. Of course, sabihin ng iba, 1.5 nito yung dati. Mas matipid, obviously. But, because the way I drive, I like to overtake, especially in the highway, baka medyo mabitin ng 1.5 for me. Maganda sana kung 1.5 may turbo. But, unfortunately, the only one that has that is the new Civic RS. That competes in Japanese car. But with this one, I think the 2-liter still is the way to go. Not the but if you're the type of person who doesn't like to drive spiritedly, like I said, medyo mabilis sa highway. Ako kasi, to be honest, I do drive fast in the highway. And I do slow down kapag may mga speeding cameras and stuff. Binabagal ko. But normally I do drive fast, I have to admit. But not super fast, dangerously fast. Yun lang. I mean, ganun talaga. Sometimes kasi, di ba guys, 100 kilometers in a straight line is quite slow nowadays. I think an average 120, 130 is okay, especially with newer cars. Still stuck in traffic. Anyway, this is the vlog of the Mazda 3 first PMS. First PMS niya. And it was quick, 2 hours. So guys, if you're interested with Mazda, I really suggest you don't be scared with like what Mazda was before when Ford used to own Mazda. It's a totally different company now, different cars. CBU Japan made talaga. That's why it costs a little bit more than the usual compact sedans nowadays. And yun guys, that's the vlog. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in my next vlog. And I will always update you with the Mazda 3. So take care.